Want the latest PowerShell on your Windows PC? Modern Windows versions include Windows PowerShell, but the newer PowerShell is installed separately. In this guide, I'll show you how to check what you already have, install the latest PowerShell, and verify that everything is working. First, open PowerShell from Start Search. Then type PS version table and press Enter. Look for the PS version value. This tells you which PowerShell version you're currently running. If you're using Windows PowerShell 5.1, you can install the newer PowerShell alongside it. To install the current PowerShell release, use Microsoft's official PowerShell download page. Choose the Windows installer that matches your system. For most modern PCs, this will be the Windows MSI package for a 64-bit system. Make sure you download PowerShell from an official Microsoft source. After downloading the installer, open the MSI file. The setup wizard will guide you through the installation. Review the license information, choose the installation options you want, and continue through the setup. For most users, the default options are a good starting point. Continue through the installer until the setup is complete. Depending on the installer version, you may see options for adding PowerShell to your system path or enabling Windows features. If you're unsure, keeping the recommended defaults is usually the simplest choice. Now open Start Search again and look for PowerShell. You should see the newly installed PowerShell application separately from Windows PowerShell. Open it, then run PS version table again to confirm the installed version. This is the easiest way to verify that you're using the newer PowerShell. Finally, test the installation with a simple command like get command. PowerShell should return a list of available commands. You can also try get help to confirm the help system is available. If both work, your installation is ready. And that's how to install PowerShell on Windows. Check your current version, download the official installer, complete the setup, and verify the new version from Start Search. So once it's installed, you can start using PowerShell for scripting, automation, system management, and much more.